Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I am getting some cleaning done, but I am starting in my son's bedroom. He had got a cold over Thanksgiving break, and he had been running a fever, and he's better. So I just wanted to come in here and get his sheets and his comforter washed, which he threw the comforter in the washer this morning for me. Um, so I'm just getting his sheets pulled off the bed and get those washed. And then I'm going to go in with like a Tide disinfectant and I'm going to spray down his pillows and his mattress. And I spray everything in this bedroom, pretty much. I'm going to wipe his end tables down. I did not actually clean his room. I just wanted to wash his sheets and spray this workout bench down because he started feeling better. So he had started working out, and he does powerlifting at school. So he's got like free weights out on the back patio, and then he just got this cable machine. This is technically his Christmas present, but I was literally trying to wait until like closer to Christmas to get it because I have nowhere to hide it. And I was not wrapping this at all. So, but that was the last one they had. So we just went ahead and bought it for him, and he went ahead and got it early. And my husband put it up Sunday for him. Saturday. Actually, it was like Saturday. He had set it up for him. And that's when he was starting to feel better. So he started working out again.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Although I know I can't deny you're right.
So now I am tackling this laundry room. Just ignore the bras. I do hang my bras to dry because they last longer doing that way. But I am just pulling the trash, and my washer and dryer, it drives me crazy at the fact that they do not match. But I do want to eventually get front loaders because I want to put a little countertop on top of it and have a place to fold my clothes and put them away, because you guys will get a better view of this laundry room. It is not very big, but I would like to be able to fold and hang my clothes in my laundry room. So I've got some major plans for this laundry room. So like I said, I want to get front loaders and have a countertop to go on top of it. And then I also had found some things that I can just hang up on the wall, and I'll be able to hang clothes as well. And then I am eventually going to tackle my master closet because that closet drives me crazy. It doesn't make sense. I mean, it makes sense. It's just got the wire racks and stuff. And when you put so much clothes on there, they start coming away from the wall. I don't like it. It looks cheap, and so I don't like it. But anyways, so I plan on getting in that closet and redoing that as well. I want to pull up that carpet and put some hardwood floors down in there, and at Home Depot, I had found some like the shelving and stuff for the closets that I want to get, because I want to add drawers in there as well, because I want to get rid of my dresser in my bedroom, because what I want to get is like a fireplace TV stand. That's what I want for my bedroom. So I've got to eliminate that dresser. So I'm going to be redoing places in this house because it needs it. And my husband made me promise I would not remodel, redo nothing for a year. Well, after December 1st will be a year, because it will be a year, and I am ready to tackle this house. I made my husband a promise. I kept it. And as y'all can see, Valkyrie ate the back of my couch. She did that, gosh, months ago. I've done pretty good just keeping it hidden so nobody sees it. But you know what, y'all, this is real life. If y'all decide to get German Shepherd puppies, please do your research. I did not. They like to chew, and they are so hyper. So if you just don't have the time or the energy, like, find another breed, because I love her. I love her to death. But she is a destructive little thing. And she has separation anxiety so bad. So we put her in a kennel before we leave, but that was before we got her a kennel and started kennel training her. She like just destroyed the back of both of these couches, and I was just so mad. She ate the corner of one of my walls. She chewed on it, so that's got to get fixed. So yeah, just German Shepherd puppies are destructive. They are in everything, and they tear everything up. Like, she destroys the backyard on a daily. So that is something that has to get cleaned up all the time, because if you leave something down, she is just tearing it up. And I've got the little robot. And they shed like fucking crazy. I mean, like fucking crazy.
Right now I'm standing in the corner.
Also, they shed like fucking crazy. Pardon my language, but oh my god, they do. So I've got 2 more couches to move, you guys. So this is about the first one I moved, and I'm going to show y'all. They do, and German Shepherds shed like crazy. It is so insane how much dog hair I vacuum up on a daily. So, and that's also another thing like you need to take in consideration if y'all decide to get a Shepherd. They are awesome dogs, do not get me wrong. I absolutely love her. She is fucking fantastic, but she does shed like crazy. So I'm gonna flip y'all around and show you the dog hair that's right here real quick. So that's not very bad, but here is this huge pile.
Kinda simple.
That's a lot of dog hair. Like I said, they shed like crazy. So if this is something you're not ready for, just do research. I did not, but also growing up, my parents did have a Shepherd puppy. So I kind of knew what I was getting myself into, but I kind of forgot.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
So couch number 2. We're about to pull this out, and I am pretty sure it's just going to be just as bad as the first, because I have not moved the couches in a few weeks. You know what? I'm going to be honest. I haven't moved these couches in 2 months, so there ain't no telling what's under there. So y'all gonna be surprised as well as I am. So I'm gonna get these pulled out so we can get this vacuumed.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving.
So this is like everything that's under here, but I was wondering where all these balls and couple of little blocks were missing. This is from the little girl I babysit occasionally. I babysit her occasionally now. Like I'll have her tomorrow, but yeah. So there's the rest of the balls to the ball pit. My husband's shoes that he's been looking for, and a couple of dog toys, some hangers, and once again, like lots of damn dog hair.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I.
And I was just picking up the big clumps of dog hair. I didn't want to suck it up in the vacuum because I did not want to stop up my vacuum, because I have in the past. So I didn't feel like doing all that. So it's just easier to pick all the globs of hair up and just throw it away. But this is not a very long video this week, but I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If nothing else, at least found me entertaining. And I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and the rest of your week. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.